Hello students, I am back. Class 5, subject EVS, chapter number 15. Chapter name Fuel for Travel. Topic Natural Resources. All the things that are useful to us in different ways are called resources. Whatever the things we get and these things are useful for us, these things are in the category of the resources. Since we are using it regularly and we are getting it from the nature, so that are the resources. Metals are made of minerals that are dug out from the earth. Different type of resources are present on the earth. The resources like air, water, sunlight, minerals, coal, petroleum, all these things are the examples of resources, and one of these are metal. So metals are made of minerals and we get it from the dug out the earth. It is getting inside the earth. We are taking it out. The resources that we get from nature are called natural resources. Here just we see the things which are useful to us, that are resources. Things useful to us are resources, and resources that we get from nature, that are natural resources. You can say that the things that we get from the God, from the spiritual powers, from the nature, that are the natural resources. Natural resources are of two types, non-renewable and renewable resources. These natural resources are of two types. It is divided into two categories. First is non-renewable and second renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are those that take a long time to be regenerated. Non-renewable resources, these are in this category. The reason is behind it. These are taking a very long time to be regenerated. Whatever the resources are present on the earth, that are being regenerated, because we are using it, it is getting finished, but we are getting it again by the nature. That means it is being regenerated. So the resources that are taking a long time to be regenerated, those are in the category of non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those that can be quickly regenerated. Means resources that can be regenerated quickly. They take very short time to be regenerated. So those are in the category of renewable resources. Non-renewable resources that take a very long time, and renewable resources that be generated quickly. Our planet Earth has been storing up valuable natural resources for billions of years. These natural resources that we are getting, few of them are taking billions of years. So you can think that how much time it is taking to be regenerated. So definitely they are very valuable and we have to use it carefully. Non-renewable resources are limited and can be exhausted due to excessive use. All of you know that population is being increased very fast, and as the medical science is being developed, definitely the death rate is also getting low. So population is being increased fastly, and because of it we are using these resources very fast. As the average, it is being regenerated. So especially the natural resources that are limited, because that are taking billions of years to be regenerated, that are being taking too much time to be regenerated. So these are limited. If we are using it excessive use, more than it is present, it is to be regenerated, it can be exhausted, it can be finished. So we should think that the resources that are in the category of non-renewable, we should use it carefully. Renewable resources can be recycled and never get exhausted. Renewable resources, these are being recycled soon, so it can not be exhausted. It can be regularly utilized. So we have to think about to use more and more the renewable resources. What is fuel? Fuel is a source of energy which is released when the fuel is burned. Fuel, actually it is a source of energy. We are getting energy from the fuels, and we get energy when we burn it. When we burn the fuel, we get the energy. So that is giving us energy by burning. Process of burning fuel is known as combustion. The process by which we get the energy burning, that is the combustion. Thank you.